We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alex Pong.
Hey, Joseph Ling. And, through this program, right here on ICRT, we like people to learn not just Hakka, but also the culture of Hakka and certain townships around the island that has a lot of Hakka culture in it. And one of them I just found out recently is in Taoyuan at a town called Xinwu. 最近我听说新屋乡啊是这个也很多客家人的地方，对不对？
错啊。
然后呢，听说那边呢也产一些花很漂亮。接下来到夏天的时候呢，有一些花可能会 blossom. There's going to be a lot of beautiful flowers blossoming in the next few months. And one of them is lavender. A lot of people love lavender because of the smell of it, and you can find it in different lotions and soaps and stuff like that. 薰衣草听说很有名，对不对？怎么说？
薰衣草
不臭啊？又来了，那个草莓也臭，然后这个也臭，你很挑哎。
臭是草。
哦，臭也是草哦，对嘛，是草嘛，草莓嘛，臭。哎呀，怎么又忘了 ？OK， 怎么讲？薰衣草啊？
薰衣草。
薰衣草 ，That's lavender， 薰衣草。听说很有名的是莲花。
莲花。
莲花 ，lotus， 莲花，莲花。Okay. You know what I heard? The lotus flower, there's actually seeds inside the lotus, right? And a lot of people use that for different sweets here in Taiwan. 有所谓的莲子，然后还有莲子冰，听说很好吃，对不对？新屋听说也很多。
莲子。
莲子 Okay, that's the lotus seed, and you can actually find a lot of shaved ice, which is made with lotus seed.
莲子饼。
莲子饼 Oh, that's the ice that we're talking about. Swaying away from flowers, I also heard in Xinwu there is a seaport. 听说新屋乡里也有一个渔港，对不对？
运安港。
什么？
看爱迪哈。
你已经知道我在讲什么了。
爱迪啊，有去过啊。
哦，你去过是不是？
永安渔港。
哦，叫永安渔港，我还没去过，好不好玩？
好港。
好港。
有很多四个东西。
哦，很多海鲜，对不对？
错，海产。
海产 Okay, you can eat a lot of seafood at the seaport as well, which is in this town, and it's called Yong'an Seaport, which is
运安港。
运安港 to eat some seafood 海鲜。
海产。
海产 There you go. That's our Hakka lesson of the day.
什么太噶？
俺是谁张来了？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.